wondering if the Systeme.io free plan is enough to start your online business? In this video, I'll show you exactly what you get for free and whether it's worth using in 2026. Step 1. First, visit the Systeme.io website and create your free account. The best part is that you don't need a credit card to get started. Once you sign up, you'll have access to your dashboard and can begin building your business right away. Step 2. With the free plan, you can create sales funnels and landing pages using the drag-and-drop editor. You can also build a website, create blogs, design forms, and customize your pages without paying for a subscription. Step 3. The free plan also lets you create and sell online courses, build email campaigns, use automation rules, manage contacts, and accept payments through supported payment gateways when your products are ready to sell. This means you can run many core parts of your online business from one platform. Step 4. As your business grows, you may eventually need a paid plan for additional capacity and advanced features. But if you're just starting out, the free plan is a great way to learn the platform and launch your first funnel without any upfront cost. Step 5. Take a few minutes to explore the dashboard, build your first landing page, and test the available features. Hands-on practice is the fastest way to become comfortable with the platform. And that's it. Now you know what the Systeme.io free plan offers and how it can help you start your online business. If you'd like to create your free account, check out my Systeme.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly Systeme.io tutorials.